In this video, let's find out if we can see how many times a specific person watched your TikTok live. Simple answer is no. TikTok does not provide a feature that lets you see the exact number of times an individual viewer has watched your live stream. However, you can see who is currently watching your live. While you're live, tap the viewer or eye icon on the screen to view a list of active viewers and people who have sent gifts during the stream. TikTok also provides overall live performance statistics through live analytics. These analytics can show information such as total views, unique viewers, watch time, and other engagement metrics, but they do not reveal how many times a specific person watched your live. So while you can monitor your overall live performance and see who is currently in your live room, TikTok does not offer individual viewer watch counts or replay statistics. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.